Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to show you how to make this video, like this image like that. Okay, the wall will show out the lighting like this. Okay, first you come here, press customize, press ceiling. Okay, once you press ceiling, you'll see this button here called background wall. Okay, press in. Okay, like this. Then select your wall. Okay, like this. Press draw rectangle. Then you measure your size. Okay, you draw around like this. Okay. Okay, then I from here set 2500. Then here set to 0. Okay, so it have to look like something like this. Next, we're going to set wall to 100. Use this one. Okay, set to 100. Let's see from here. Okay, so they have the effect. Alright. Next, select this part like that. Left click it. So not this blue line or black line. So I select one part only. Okay, will look like this. Then come here, edit, press edit. Okay, come to here. So my mouse are not here. Selection library, come left side, select here, choose this one, corner line, then bring come up. Okay, then we see like one top part only. Alright, then you drag, put, see is this what we want? Okay, can't really see, then never mind, let's expand it. So I go for 50. Okay, so see, so it's not the shape that I want, right? Okay, then we rotate. Okay, we want this shape. Okay, so we just adjust it more or less like this. Okay, but if you guys want to adjust it down a little bit, also no problem lah. Alright, so I just roughly want to just snap it like that only lah. Okay, like this, or you can adjust the number here. Right, next, come here, lamp tube from the left side, lamp tube. Okay, then I bring out one here, so one at the corner here. Okay, one at the top here. Okay, like this. Then select my lamp tube, saw here or not. Okay, light intensity set to 10. Same goes for this one. I set to 10. Okay, if you guys want to go higher, can go higher. Okay, once done. Okay, now we go to render part. Okay, then now we go for change material. Okay, so come to library. Okay, come to this one, lacquer. All right, so let's try one. Okay, we maybe not go for this, we go for this. All right, more towards white, right? Yep. So more around here white like this. Okay, then we start render. All right, we start press render. Okay, once you're done the render, you look something like this. So this part, I think you can just adjust a little bit, then you can hide already. Okay, the end result is like this. All right, hit the like button and subscribe. Bye.